Well, hey, welcome back. So, I've given woodworking a break for a little while and I've been playing with clay quite a bit. Got a whole rack done, got some finished over there. I'll show you. Put up some pictures while I'm doing this. Anyway, so I've been watching, I think his name is Simon Leach. They're way back there. But he makes this cool little, I think he calls it a GP bowl. But it's a cool little bowl with finger holds. They're pretty entertaining to make. They don't take a lot of clay, and I kind of enjoy it. So I thought I'd share with you. Thought we'd do one together. How's that? So just a pound of clay. This is porcelain. I hadn't made one out of porcelain yet. I've been using a yeah, they call it a buff. It's a little groggy. I guess it'd be similar to B-mix for my pottery friends. So the thing with this bowl, and I'll put a link to his video down below. The thing with this bowl is you only want it to be like 6 inches at the top with a rolled rim. You don't want to go out too far, too fast. You kind of want to cone up. Or not cone up, we already did that. Pull the cylinder. Clay's dry. I don't want to get too wide yet, because I want to roll that top over, and then we can widen it out. Sometimes I can get this to work. Sometimes I can't, but we're gonna try it. Yeah, that worked. All right, so we're at 5.5. So it only needs to come out just a little more. The shape kind of takes care of itself. We're looking for, you know, kind of an angled, where you're narrow on the bottom. That's 6. Let's go a little more. So we are 6 1/4. That'll be perfect. The next thing it does is gets it hot, because then we can modify the rim a little bit. And what this does is kind of dries it out, gets it a little stiffer, so when we modify it, it'll hold its shape, not want to fall as much. Oh, I need to trim the foot first. Oh, that didn't work. All right, now we'll play with some fire. Now just using your digits, you're gonna kind of eyeball it. Well, let's look. So just a bowl, 6 inches across. And now with just your little fingers, you're gonna pull it, you know, get across from each other, and then just kind of widen it out like that. You see, might have got that a little too hot, but we can fix it. All right. And then, using a dowel, just a dowel, this is a 3/8 inch, I think. We're gonna put a little water there, make sure the dowel is wet. Make sure your finger's wet. I think either way I do this, it's gonna be so just under the rim. We're gonna gently fold it over, getting a nice smooth little lip. Oh. And then again on the other side, just up under that rolled rim, right? And going from the marks we made, just roll it over. Porcelain's a lot more touchy than that other clay. The buff, he calls it. If I can find my wire tool, we'll cut it off. Now it's just a punch with some, I don't know, some texture, finger grip. And I'm simply just gonna roll it right along the side gently. I'm only doing this because we did it on the other ones. And there it is. I shouldn't take this bat off, it's gonna be a nightmare to pop back on, but we're gonna do it anyway. See? So that, and then has just little finger holds. You can just kind of hold it on, you know, just carry it around. Bowl's not hot. I mean, bowl's hot and you can carry it around. So that's what I've been doing. Oh, let's go take a look at some of the finished up pieces. Alright, so here's some of the finished up pieces. Got some hand-built mugs with some, you know, design. Those are rolled. Another bunch of little gnomes. That didn't come out good, but little vases. These are some of my favorite. That's in there. Put your fork there or something. I don't know. I kind of liked it. And then some nice, what do you call those, tumbler type things. Anyway, so I think this is my favorite. I like this little pattern right in here. Oh, can't forget this one. Look at the texture on that. Man. It's by far my favorite texture roller. If you're wondering about texture rollers, we can come over here and give those a look. So these awesome little texture rollers come from the texture shop. Sharon Hope makes them. I'll put a link where you can find them. Good for baking, and well, I use them for clay, but they're awesome in cookies. They're just cool. Whole variety of fruit flavors over there. I'm gonna go broke buying rolling pins and I don't even bake. Alright, so that's what I've been doing. I hope y'all been doing okay. I mean, lots and lots and lots of little mugs. So, yeah, just playing in the clay. If I get proficient more so, I will post more. But I'll have a link to Sharon, the texture shop, and I think his name is Simon Leach. Anyway, that kind of might be the. Anyway, it's all that. All right, y'all have a wonderful day.